Hey diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae, right back in the saddle with yet another video. If you are a newbie today, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please take a moment to click that like button, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, show your girl some love, become a part of the Diamond Squad so you know as soon as I drop another video. Now diamonds, I had a subscriber reach out to me. She hit me in my DM and was like, look, you did this video about 2 or 3 years ago. It was that 3A palette, or little trio by Morphe. I liked it. Can you make it truly beginner friendly for me? Here I am. I'm gonna do it again for her because I mean, that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to give the people what they want. So subscriber, I hope you really enjoy this. I slowed it down a little bit. I've showed you what brushes I use. So I hope you guys enjoy. And can we get a thumbs up for the hair? Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Guys, really quick, when I wear my hair like this is the style that gets the absolute most comments for me. I see people stop and stare. They're looking. It's the hair for them. I'm telling you, it's the hair for them. I always hear, oh my God, your hair is so cute. What is that? You have to tell me. Girl, lights up my face every single time. But that's neither here nor there. Diamonds, if you're ready to see how I achieved this look, you know what to do.
She's a boss, she's a bitch. I take that as a compliment.
I've been trying not to go off the deep end.
So we can jump knee deep into this look. I did my base off camera. To start, I grabbed my Morphe's M433 brush. Now this is a tapered crease brush. It's dense enough to pack on color, and it also has the fullness at the tip, which is perfect for blending. Grabbing the trio, I took Smokey, which is a deep chocolate brown, and I'm going to pack this in slightly above my crease by using tapping motions following my natural eye shape. Now I find that with dark colors, this is the most flattering type of shape to do with your eyeshadow. I do not use any blending motions with this particular brush just yet. I just want to make sure that I'm packing on product using a tapping motion. To blend the edge of darkness, I took my Morphe's M441, and it is a firm crease brush. It is absolutely the perfect size and has the perfect firmness for perfecting transitions. Absolutely everyone needs at least one of these in their collection. Onto the lid, I took my Sigma's SS239, and I believe they call it an E55 now. Great for packing on shadows to your lid. I've had this brush for at least 8 to 10 years, maybe more, and it is the bomb. First, I'll focus on packing it onto my lid using my eye socket as a guide. Now this brush, the M456, is one of my absolute top favorite brushes. I think it was made for the James Charles collection, and it's perfect for detailed blending, especially those of us who have small eyes. It's perfect to start blending darkness and smoky together. For the blending motion that I'm using, it's short or small circular motions. Up next, I grabbed the M321, which is a bullet crease brush. I'm going to blend that edge out more, alternating between adding product and blending. to apply my inner corner situation, I took Morphe's M124, which is a flat, firm eyeshadow brush. Now to finish my face, I start with my highlight and I applied that with my M530 brush. Now diamonds, don't forget to hit up your local CCOs, which is called Cosmetic Company Outlet. I got this Tiana Taylor skin finish. It's called the House of Petunia for $9.99. It was like $37 on MAC's website. With my E24, I took Black Radiance's Baked Blush in the shade Toasted Almond, and I applied that to my cheeks. To line my lips, I took Downtown Beauty by NYX. Then I applied NYX's Liquid Suede, also in the shade Downtown Beauty. To add some dimension back to my lips, I popped Caramelize by Bite into the center. To prep my lashes, I took Maybelline Sky High. I absolutely love the wand on this mascara. And I'm using the same lashes from my last look. I took Stila's Intense Black Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner just to make sure my band was hidden. To line my waterline, I took Aveda's Eye Definer in the shade Black Orchid. Then I took a mini smudger brush and I worked it down a bit. I believe I got this one from the Morphe and Sweetie collection. Next, I took my e.l.f. eye crease brush and I blended that out so there's no harsh lines. And to set my face, I grabbed Morphe's Luminous Setting Spray. And diamonds, that's the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, become a part of the Diamond Squad. Diamonds, as always, until next time.